Let's hit 2 million together. Thanks for being with us.
Ano ang pinag-uusapan ng dalawa? Naku, palapit na palapit ay! Kunti na lang mag-holding hands na yan.
Oh no! Day in the life with Alexa. Let's go.
Oh yeah!
Saan ba tayo nila?
30th floor.
What?
Dead joke. Guys.
Ano ang pinag-uusapan ng dalawa?
Sasalita ko. Akala ko yung sasalita. Iba pala.
Ay! Katabi! Kunti na lang mag-holding hands na yan. Naku, palapit na palapit ay!
Ano order?
Ano yung order? Ito. Ako din. Sino magbabayad? Time check. It's 1:43 PM.
What time?
1:43 PM. I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh, kayo na mo sinasabi?
Ano ka ba? Sa'yo, siyempre, sa kapatid.
So guys, pinawait namin yung order namin for lunch.
Probably around 10 minutes. Nandiyan na yung food namin. Time check is 1:46. Tapos nag-order kami 1:43, right? Kasi nga, I miss you. I miss you. I miss you.
Say-say ang sinasabi kaya hindi mo mawari.
Guys, let's eat! Bye-bye, kain muna kayo. Ito naman yung order ko. Hati kami ni Mama. Chicken karage. And then ito, miso soup. So mag-chopstick tayo guys for today. So titikman natin.
Sana all may dewa, sana all mahal, sana all pinili ka ng tao mong mahal.
Sobrang tapos ito. Saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Shooting. Okay, let's go. Saan na ba kayo pupunta? Ay, tinuturo niya. Wala, walk around. Walk around.
Sana all may dewa, sana all mahal. Kanya ready po.
Interview, bakit wala ka pang girlfriend?
I think gusto mo na mag-enjoy sa life.
Wow! Ikaw, bakit wala ka pang boyfriend? Ganun din. I-enjoy lang yung teenager life.
Explore the world.
You were correct. It's fact.
Study first. Dati pa yun eh. Dati pa kasi ganyan.
Anong pa rin po ako?
Pero yung mga nagsasabi nun, may anak na. And obviously, we're just friends. Ano more?
Okay. Good to hear that. By the way, after our class, I invite you to grab some food later. Time check, it's already 6:15, so staying here in Starbucks. So what do you want?
Anong cookie? Ito? Yeah. Yeah. Ayan, so order muna guys. Ang mag-love team. Ay, ano pala, partners pala. Wow, ang gentleman naman. Umu-order para kay girl. Ayun, nagka-easy order namin. Thank you.
Sarap yung tubig niya.
Cookie lang. Cookie lang. Patawanin mo siya. Patawanin mo siya.
Time check. 6:49.
So, uwi na sila guys.
Parang
Ay,
may kulang.
magka-basketball ka ba?
Training.
Ah, okay.
Sama kayo?
Pero pwedeng manood.
Pwede.
Favorite player?
Vice ganda.
Hindi, basketball player.
Basketball player. Akala ko ano eh. Basketball player Steph Curry. Steph.
Wow! Dance. Easy peasy.
Yun nga, sayo nga
Sayo
dito.
nga, sayo nga. Sabi tayo. Oh, sige, there. Oh, there go. Dance in public. Go! Wow! Emergency! 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 Ay, kamusta naman ang date niyo? Date! Lovely date. Aray!
Family date. So yung content talaga is date with the two sisters. It's what you call family date. Lagi Justin Bieber na ako. Oh, wow! Wala sa tono, wala sa tono. Five falls.
My balls!
Wala falls. Ano tayo? Wrong Graham. So, that's it for the day. So, did you have fun naman?
Yeah, super.
Same also. Guys, ngayon na from umaga, ngayong gabi na. Ngayon na kami katagal kayo na magkasama. Ang dami namin ginawa, being together. Tapos, inom kami ng kape. TikTok. Siyempre, di mawala yung TikTok. Then, yun, bonding moments, of course.
Basta puro kumain lang kami. Ginawa lang namin kumain lang kami.
Happy tummy, happy life. That's it.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Like for part 2. See you later. Huh?